All right, let's talk about one of the biggest changes happening on the internet right now.
Just think about it. You search for something, and the answer's right there on the page.
Yeah, because today, a huge 58% of all Google searches end without a single click. This isn't some far-off threat. It's happening right now, and believe me, it's a game changer.
And the reason why is huge. We're moving from search engines to answer engines. These tools don't just give you links, they actually synthesize the info and give you the answer. But how do they know so much? Well, they've learned from the whole internet, raising huge questions.
And that has sparked a huge copyright debate, with lawsuits and new regulations all over the world.
So, if clicks are just vanishing, what's the new goal for anyone with a website? This is a huge mindset shift. The new game? It's all about becoming the trusted source. And this has basically created a whole new playbook, Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO for short. Just look at the difference here. SEO is all about driving traffic. AEO is about building your brand. Okay, so this is the big question, right? How do you actually get cited by these AIs? It pretty much boils down to 4 key things. Let's quickly break them down. First, you've got to create content that an AI simply can't, like original data and real experience. Second, build authority. AI takes notice when other trusted sources are talking about your brand. Third, you need to structure your content so machines can easily read it. Think lists and clear headings. And fourth, keep your information fresh. AIs definitely prefer content that's recent and up to date. Now, this might all sound a little scary, but there's actually a huge opportunity here. Okay, first, the bad news. When those AI overviews show up, yeah, organic clicks can drop. A lot. But here's the twist. The few people who do click from an AI answer convert 5 times better. And why is that? Because they've already done their research. They're not just browsing, they're ready to decide. And this right here shows the biggest benefit. Getting cited by AI builds incredible brand trust. Think about it. Every citation is a brand impression. It's like the AI is endorsing you. So the whole game has changed. The question isn't, how do I rank? It's, is my brand the answer?